The car drove around the house. Car and house are both nouns. Normally in a sentence, the noun is the subject, so keep your eye out for it. We'll be there. A helpful tip to remember this is just remember it because it's the easiest one. Person, place, thing, or idea. P-P-T-I. Pipped. I climbed a tree. I was the pronoun in that sentence because it replaced the noun. A possible noun in that sentence could be Peyton because I was the one who climbed the tree. A helpful tip to remember pronouns is they will be in the same spot as a noun would be, except they will just be words such as I, me, it, she, he, we. If you want to find a pronoun in a sentence, which you definitely do, then memorize pronouns so it makes it easier to find them. I jumped over the water bottle. The verb in that sentence was jumped. How to find a verb in a sentence is you look for the word after the subject and see what the subject is doing. A helpful tip for finding verbs is remembering that verbs come after the subject. I slowly flew through the hallway. The adverb is slowly because it describes how I flew. How to find an adverb in a sentence is it's usually before the verb and it's describing the verb. And then a helpful tip for remembering this is they usually end in ly, so they'll be easier to find. The sparkling ice is delicious. Yummy. Sparkling describes ice in this sentence, so therefore, sparkling is the adjective. How to find an adjective in a sentence is first find the subject and verb, and then if you see any more words that are used as descriptive words, see if they are modifying a noun or a pronoun. A helpful tip for finding adjectives in a sentence is finding the nouns and see if there's any describing words before them. One time, Kendall tripped, but Peyton caught her. Whoa! I got you! The conjunction in the sentence is but. If you're finding a conjunction in a compound sentence, there will be two sets of subjects and verbs, so just find the conjunction in between those two. A helpful tip for finding conjunctions is fan voice, which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. I walked down the hallway. The preposition in this sentence is down. How to find a preposition in a sentence is look for some extra added information after the first set of subjects and verbs. A helpful tip for finding prepositions is memorizing the list of prepositions so that when you're reading the sentence, you can find it a lot faster. Wow! Look at that funny animal. Wow is the interjection in that sentence. How to find an interjection in a sentence is they are usually at the beginning of the sentence, and a helpful tip for remembering them is they usually have a comma or explanation point or something after it. Yep.